Tensea 360 full protection watch case for Apple Watch. With front PC tempered glass case and back cover 2-in-1. Unique design. Waterproof silicone gap is embedded in the case. Prevents water from entering between case and screen. Anti-fog function. Touch sensitivity and highly responsive. 99% clarity. Keep your watch's touch sensitivity and display as original. Support wireless charging. Package contains 1 Apple Watch case, 1 cleaning tool, 1 instruction manual, 1 removal tool, 1 dust sticker. How to install case on Apple Watch? First, clean your watch with alcohol wipe. Then use dry wipe. Then use dust stickers to catch dust. Then slide your watch in front side of case from behind. Clean the back side. Now install back case. There you go. It's that easy. To uninstall case, use removal tool to unplug back case. Now put the removal tool into the gap between the case and crown and push the case apart. There you go. Want buy case? Click the link in description and pinned comment. It's selling like hotcakes. And don't forget to subscribe.